loud enough.
I just...
Uh-oh.
Yeah, I just...
Uh-oh. You just sneezed in your helmet.
No. I sneezed, but I tried not to. Yeah, I tried not to.
Oh, you got ookies. Oh, ookies all over the inside of you. Oh.
No, I held it back.
I heard the sneeze. We all heard the sneeze.
Oh,
man, we heard the sneeze again.
Yeah.
Here comes sneezing fit. Do we need to pull over so you can have your sneezing fit?
I'm good.
I don't want you to sneeze and crash.
Oh, yeah, that can happen too.
Just making sure you didn't need to pull over. Damn.
Yeah.
Are you sure we don't need to pull over?
No.
And you're cleaning your own freaking helmet, by the way.
Huh?
I am not cleaning the inside of that helmet.